Good afternoon, fellow travelers. This is Fayetteville location near Lake Havasu. Somebody asked me the other night in a comment, I don't remember who it was, for some pics of the van. But first off, it's a 1998 Ford Econoline club wagon. Its first original conversion was done by Explorer Van Company in Warsaw, Indiana. And I purchased it 2 years ago. It had 61,000 original miles on it. Now it's got about 134,000 miles on it. Got the small 4.6 engine in it. Does a very good job, really. Little fur baby taking a nap here. The other fur baby there in the door. But they were wanting some pics of the interior, so we'll give you a little quick overview of what the interior looks like. Our custom cabinet we put in, battery box, inverter, microwave, Dometic fridge. Get a little overview this way and I'll go to the back. Step into the back here. Let's just see from the back here. That's what it all looks like pretty much from the inside. Nothing fancy. We just kept it simple. Didn't want to have a whole lot of stuff. We did choose comfort over room as far as the bed goes. It is a queen, very nice and comfortable. So there you have it. A quick overview of what the van looks like inside.